Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Gemini with Gmail using automated email drafting. Complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Gemini with your Gmail account, begin by ensuring you have access to both services. Launch your browser and navigate to the Google Gemini homepage. Sign in with your Google account credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once signed in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to open the configuration menu. In the configuration menu, look for the option that integrates Google Gemini with Gmail. Select this option to initiate the integration process. Follow any on-screen prompts to grant necessary permissions for integration. After permissions are granted, return to the main Google Gemini interface. Now, find the email drafting section within Google Gemini. Here, you can access templates or create new drafts for your emails. To create a new draft, click on the New Draft button. Enter the subject line that you want for your email. In the main body section, describe the content of your email clearly and concisely. Google Gemini will assist by suggesting completions and enhancements as you type. Review the suggestions and select ones that fit your style and needs. Once satisfied with the content, find the option to save your drafted email. Click on the Save button to store your draft in Gmail. Next, head over to your Gmail account to verify that the draft has been saved. Open Gmail and navigate to the Drafts folder in the left sidebar. You should see your new draft listed here, ready for further editing or sending. If any adjustments are needed, you can edit the draft directly from Gmail. When you're ready, select the draft, make any final changes, and click Send. Your email will be sent, utilizing the efficiency offered by Google Gemini for drafting. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Google Gemini with Gmail for automated email drafting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.